I'm taking some time, aren't I? Yeah? So we're off this weekend to meet up with some other mountain biking families, and we're going to Afan Forest. Meeting a few of them there should be quite good. Weather is subjective, but yeah, we'll see how it is. But yeah, for now we are on the road and we'll see you there. Last night at the campsite. I don't think any of the babies slept, which was a bit soul destroying, but we did manage to get out on a nice little bike ride, which was nice. Today's plan, we've all just had some breakfast and stuff. Mums are feeling pretty tired. Dads are gonna go off and go do a quick loop around the cycle trails, and the mums were gonna go off and do a nice walk apparently. So yeah, a bit more of a chill day than planned, but we're out and that's what counts. See you later. Bye. We had a much better night last night. Saturday night was a little bit wild with the storm that was kind of going on outside. Only 2 of us stayed for the whole weekend, so it's just ourselves and the other camper out there at the moment. But yeah, last night was so much better. The kids were far more settled. The weather was a lot better. They slept better, which meant we slept better. It's been a really nice weekend. It's been quite challenging. I think anyone with young kids will understand that will be quite challenging. But this is the final morning here. I think we might just go out for a little walk with the dogs before packing up and then heading home. Yeah. We are all packed up and ready to go, so a little over an hour on the road on the way home. But yeah, it's been really nice here actually. I mean, you can see the views and stuff are lovely. Yeah, all packed up, and we will see you when we're back home. Diggers, yeah.